minimal tools. That's it. Guys, I just couldn't wait any longer. I'm doing the install now. Far out, that old system was a nightmare. You can't really see it. It's just hanging loose. We'll just attach a few rubbers and Bob's your uncle. Yeah. Righto. So here I am. Like a kid with a new toy. Righto. And sorry about the lighting, guys. But it is what it is. Look. Minimal tools. That's it. A few other odds and ends. And we got the job done. I'm not real good with this sort of stuff, but it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. We're all hooked up, fellas. We're all hooked up, ready for the first start. So let's just do it. Alright guys, here we go, eh? Put the key in. Let's see what happens here, see how it sounds. Could be exciting. Fingers stay. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Sounds exactly the same. Or a little bit chunkier. Sounds a little coming out the back. Let it warm up a bit. We'll give it a rev, or might even go for a spin. Just gave it a rev before. God, it's loud. Really loud. Alright, I'm going for a spin. It does seem to... I think seems more responsive. I don't know. It's a little different. Anyway, we're going home. Anyway, we got the exhaust on, that's all that matters. Oh, it's loud and obnoxious. I can smell that heat tape on the exhaust, so I want to go and check that out. It is louder, but I don't know. We've got to get used to it. Yeah, it doesn't go doo like it did. It's real quick now. Doof. More breathing space, I suppose. Here it is. I touched it when as soon as I came home, I could put my hand on that. So that does resist an awful lot of heat. I was quite surprised how good that heat shield stuff is. What's under there might come soon. I want to upgrade the turbo. Nothing too crazy, but I want to get a slightly better turbo. But yeah, realistically, I think we'll just get some gauges next. Might get some gauges and possibly up the boost. Yeah, so we'll get a turbo up the boost, and I don't know, eventually perhaps could go the cheap way and get a manual boost controller, or get one of those sexy nice automatic ones for inside the cockpit there. Rightio guys, if you made it this far, you're a true fan. And you love your Triton as I do. Stay tuned for more mods. Mod Squad 01 Clegg. Bye bye for now.